All right, now we're doing activity 621 part B, which has the same left side but a different right side. You'll notice that 3t corresponds to one of the factors of the characteristic equation here, which means our problem is slightly different. Also, our initial conditions are different. Now, x of 0, oh, I have it wrong. X of 0 is 1 and x prime of 0 is 1, which will make things a little messier. So that means I'm just going to start, once you get the hang of this, it goes a little faster. So I'm taking Laplace transform on both sides. I'm going to be a little sloppier now. So that means x double prime means I get s squared capital X plus, no, minus s times x of 0. So minus s minus x prime of 0, so minus 1. Plus 4 times sx minus 1, and then we've got minus 21 x equals, and then here we get 3 over s minus 3. Okay. Let's go. Let's do this. So that means that we have find our all of our x's together here. So we've got s squared plus 4s minus 21 times big X, and then also I've got a minus s, and I've got a minus 1, and minus 4 is minus 5 equals 3 over s minus 3. Okay. So that means that s squared, let's just do two algebraic steps at once. So x equals 3 over s minus 3, and then divide by this, but I'll factor it. Divided by that is squared times s plus 7, and then plus these I moved over, s plus 5. I think it's okay I did that 2 steps at once thing. And then I've got s minus 3, s plus 7. Okay, so now we got to find a common denominator and then do our partial fractions dance, and then we'll be good to go. So that means x equals 3 plus, basically multiply top and bottom by s minus 3. And so then I've got, you know what? Let's just do it all at once. I'm feeling spry. All right, so how many s squareds? I have 1 s squared. How many regular s terms? I've got 5s minus 3s, so plus 2s. What number? Minus 15, but plus 3, so minus 12. All over s minus 3 squared over s plus 7. Okay, so that means that x equals a over s minus 3 plus b s plus c over s minus 3 squared plus d over s plus 7. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, now let's do our algebra, which I will pause to do the algebra and the linear algebra on stage. And we're back. So now we have a equals 0.77 exactly, 77 over 100. B equals 0. C equals C equals 3/10 or 0.3, and D equals 0.23. Okay, so capital X equals 0.77 over S minus 3 plus 0.3 over S minus 3 squared plus 0.23 over S plus 7. So then little x equals, let's go to our table of Laplace transforms. And so we get 0.77 e to the 3t. And then this one right here, that corresponds to okay, t times a. Yes. So it's a t times EAT situation. And I'm looking at the table. So here n is 1, because it's only 1 power of t. It's only s squared, so n is 1. And a is 3. So plus 0.3 t e to the 3t, and then plus 0.23 e to the negative 7t. There's your answer.